Kaya nandito sa Pilipinas, di ba ganun? Ponytail, tapos pigtails naman yung dalawang ganyan.
Hair tie.
I don't know. Or dog. Parang, di ba yung...
Dog tail?
Oo. Alala ko yun. What? Bakit? I don't know.
Anyway. I like the style of...
Dog tail.
I like the style of the dog. The hairstyle. Hairstyle only.
Alam ko mga basketball player.
Kaso player din.
Tamo na.
Kaso player din yun.
Ano mo na?
Ng
Kahit 3 months lang, Weds, na single pa. Kaya mo yan.
Paman, lahat na nagsasabi sa'yo na i-ano mo yung chocolate. Sorry talaga.
But it's good because you don't really notice it until you are apart. Because when you're so caught up in your relationship since you're together.
Parang yun na yung, ito na nga yung break nyo. Parang yung call off nyo na to na makapag-isip na mabuti. Malayo ka, malayo din siya. You're on your own.
That's why I was talking to you because I told Denise, I was like, I feel kind of lost because I don't know what I want anymore. Like my whole family, I think Michaela knows this, but my whole family wants me to be single. Even though my family loves Michaela, like loves her, and I love her so much, but I don't know what I want anymore. It's difficult to be in a relationship when you don't know what you want.
Kaya kaya ko naman. Kasi kuya asked me, gaano mo ka makisilan? Hindi ko nasagot. Hindi ko pa
And like, yeah, you can't measure it naman eh. Nun lang.
Tinanong din naman ako nun eh.
Usually dati, mahal naman kasi. Hindi ko na alam. Lagi nang gano'n, hindi ko na alam kung hindi ko alam.
Yeah, I just
Wala na ako alam.
Indifference, no?
Yun din, sabi ko, kuya, gusto ko lang po makausap.
Pag talaga nagkukulo, and then, pag talaga nagkakalayo, pag long distance, make or break talaga yun.
Make or break. Super. Make or break siya.
First talaga.
Grabe. Oo. Natatakot pa rin ako. Natatakot pa rin ako.
Sa'yo hindi, you're very stable, Ate Joya.
Diyan. Pero wag na yun. Wag muna. Pwesto. Ayos na, mapwesto ba dyan, kuya?
Kunin natin yung mga damit.
Ako for a while, ha?
Hindi kasi, ang sabi ko sa kanya, Wenz, paglabas, usap kayo natin, and then ask him, saan ba tayo patungo? At least mo lang mabigyan ka man lang yan. Where are we heading? At least mo lang may magbigay mo lang siya gusto kong ano ba? Ano ba yung rason na in-explain? Parang gusto ko lang.
Direction mo na yun.
Bigyan mo ako ng isa pang chance na mahalin ka. Chance, ganyan.
Hindi, wag na.
Parang ganyan. It depends na sa kanya. At least may rason si Lance. I mean, may
chance mo na to, ha?
People tend, when you give them another chance, they tend to give all they have, and then after a while, it tends to wear off.
In a way,
Kasi ibig sabihin, hindi daw talaga nila kaya.
siguro second chances, or second chance, okay pa. Diba? Pero pagka third daw, wag na.
Pang 100
Bang na.
Pang 100.
Cut it off na.
Gano.
Bakala kasi, yun nga mabuti na rin na in-open up mo sa amin. Kasi nga, pag ikaw lang, kinikimkim mo lang sa sarili mo, clouded din.
Oo.
Mabuti yung ganito na sinabi mo sa amin.
The more the merrier.
Nasiraan mo si Lance, sorry Lance, pero, diba, at least mabuti yung nakakarinig ka ng opinions from your friends. Kasi kami yung may clear view, may okay.
Feeling ko din. Siya siguro, takot siyang mag-isa.
Ayun,
Takot kang mag-isa.
Sinabi niya sa akin.
Sabi niya nga, hindi niya kayang walang lalaki. Come on! Hindi,
Of course you
hindi
are.
pwede.
Dito lang kaya ako walang lalaki.
Oh my God, kaya mo yan, Wendy.
Everyone's capable. We all started
Kasi
out single.
feeling ko si Wendy, parang masyado ka nang na-use sa may boyfriend ako eh. Sanay ako may boyfriend. So parang pag ikaw lang mag-isa, sabi mo, di ba takot kang mag-isa?
I think the things that you can do
Kumpiyansa
when
sa
you're
sarili, ganun
single
siguro
is,
medyo may ano ka.
I lose it.
like, the things that I did when I was single,
Anong naglaho?
I don't think I could. I got my tattoo license. And I did stop. I lived in Thailand for 6 weeks. And I did stop. Now I just, it's the same. No, it's awesome. But it's not, it's not individual. It's not me. It's us.
Mahirap kung tingnan mo kung titingnan mo ngayon na may boyfriend ka, mahirap na magiging single ka in an instant. Mahirap na
Unimaginable.
May galit na.
Di ba parang unimaginable na wala kang boyfriend ngayon?
Mahirap
ako
ka
rin.
talaga. Pero kapag naging single ka na, tapos mga after 2 months, ganyan, mafe-feel mo na, oh my gosh, ito na yung time for myself. Ito na yung time na magagawa ko lahat ng gusto ko without
Freedom.
without thinking at the back of your mind. Wala kang inhibitions, wala kang reservations.
Dapat i-explain. Gusto ba ni ganito, ganyan. Yes.
Doon mo madidiscover yung sarili mo na, ay, kaya ko palang gawin to. Ay, kaya ko makipag-mingle sa mga ay, ganito, ganyan. Mas magkakaroon ka ng more time with your family, more time with your friends, more time
Mas masarap.
for yourself. Mas ma-explore mo yung mga bagay-bagay na hindi mo magawa kasi may boyfriend.
At saka mas magiging alam mo na kung anong gusto mo talaga kasi ikaw na yun.
Ito pa naman yung stage na, pa-quarter life crisis eh. Pa-quarter life crisis.
Oo, believe me, Wens, pag 24, 25 ka, grabing crisis.
Pa-quarter
Kahit
life
ako din.
crisis.
Nagka-crisis ako.
That's why I was like, I feel really off balance. Because we're stuck in here. We don't know what's happening, you know.
Oo, syempre.
It's hard, especially if we're in a relationship with someone that we haven't spoken to in
Exactly.
3 months. You know.
Imagine yung song lang na lumayo ka sa akin.
Praning na ako.
Praning na praning kami. Kahit ako na praning. What if sa akin yung... Parang ganun. Kasi di ba lahat dito may meaning. What if sa akin yung song na yun? Parang ganun.
What if Lance picks you up now? Because he's jealous.
Pagkat saan ka man naroroon,
Well,
ng puso ko'y para sa'yo.
That's why I was telling her, I'll be a little bit careful here. Because other people might misinterpret.
what are your...
Sabi ko, kuya, si Cardo, ganun naman siya sa lahat eh. Diba? Sabi ko, kuya, ganun siya kay Denise, kay Joya. Sa lahat.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Sweet, sweet.
But
Yeah, I also said that one.
there is something.
Yeah.
You can't see it.
Yeah, sabi ko nga he is sweet to all of us, but the thing is, wala naman akong thing sa kanya. So, I'm super secure naman that it's just a friendly sweetness, not that.
But
The difference is...
do you think Lance would be jealous? What do you think? No. What do you think?
I think, no. I think he's,
Natatakot. Nawawala sweat. Just lang.
hindi. I feel ko, yung past na sa mga sinasabi mo, I think may, ayoko sabihin.
No, talk.
I think may girl siya or something. May linalindi siya.
Pwede.
nangyari sa kanya.
Yun yung nafe-feel ko.
Pwede
Parang
din.
sinabi ni kuya na parang,
Kasi kung gano'n, kung jealous siya,
Why not?
gagawa siyang paraan makausap ka.
I would do that.
Gagawan ka.
Oo.
Susunduin ka niya na dito, Malayula Valdez ang
At saka Malayula Valdez, yung drama.
But we
Sino
don't know
doon yung
anything,
di ba?
so we
Si
shouldn't,
Rocky?
you know. Pero
Pero
I agree with you.
yun
I
lang
agree.
nafe-feel.
Ang-
Tapos saka yung
sabi ni
past
Kuya,
and
what
yung
if-
mga...
Sabi niya parang, ready ka ba na makipag-break or makipag-bulok? Sabi ko, bakit? Ano nangyayari?